Alright, welcome back to this module. So here we're going to be uploading our last video to YouTube Shorts. Okay, so it's really simple and straightforward, very similar to all the rest of the platforms. Sometimes these platforms change a little bit. So again, if you're watching this video 3, 6, 9, 12, maybe 2 years later, then some of it may be different, but the concept is always the same. So we're going to go to our social on, this is my phone, click on the YouTube app. Okay, and just make sure you're logged into the right account. So the account we want is JMCL Short 001 account. So if we click on there, we'll just make sure into the right account. So there we are, that's it. Okay, and that's what we did previously on the previous module. So I'm going to click on the plus icon here. And this is our library. So we're going to click on that. And the first video we did, remember it was for TikTok. So that's got the TikTok URL in there, the call to action, which was the easy3stepbusiness.com. Second one was Instagram, and the third one is our domain number 3, which is YouTube Shorts. Okay, so we're going to click on that, and again we'll just check domain3.com. All right. Now one of the things with YouTube Shorts is that if you've got audio on your video, if you're talking on your video and you put some music on it, using this platform, using this system, then it will remove any audio that you've got on there already. That's what I've found anyway from experience. It may change, you know, as these apps and these things develop. So because this is just a simple point-in video, we're going to put some audio on it. Okay, but just remember that you want to check just to make sure if it doesn't get rid of all your dialogue. Okay, so just make sure, but that doesn't happen. Okay, so that's done. Okay, we're going to click on done. Then we're going to upload some music. So we're going to click on add sound, and we'll just see what offerings they give us. So let's click on the first one. That sounds all right. Okay, 1.2 million shorts have used this in their video shorts. And one of the things I would say about music, again, use it if you're doing a silent video. Otherwise, it'll be really weird just pointing with nothing, no interaction for your audience. But if that music is in alignment with your brand, if you had your logo in a sting where you opened up and it had this logo music, would it work? Does it work with your brand? If it does, then go and use it. Okay, so we're going to use that. There we go. So that's going to add that to the video. Okay, and we'll click on the little check mark. There we go. Click on next. Okay, next thing we need to do is we need to caption the short. So there are two things we need to do. Okay, so we're going to copy our original title. Okay, copy and paste that in. That's it, simple. Next thing we need to do is we want to make this private or unlisted. I'll make it unlisted. Okay, and I'll tell you why in a sec. I don't want that. Okay. Okay, and then we'll go and upload the short. So this is going to take maybe a couple of minutes just to upload. So once the video is uploaded, what we need to do is we need to go back to, there we go, it's uploaded. Go back to our socials tab, and then we need to go to YouTube Studio. Okay, so this is one of the apps that you should have downloaded from the Play Store before we started. So we're going to click on that. And again, we're going to make sure we're in the right account. Okay, so it's just logging into our accounts. So once you're logged in to the YouTube Studio, by default, it will have videos highlighted. And if you log in and it says no content available, you'll wonder, well, I've just uploaded a video, what's going on? Okay, so if you click on Shorts, okay, there we've got our short that we've just uploaded. Okay, so we'll click on that. And then next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on this little icon to edit the description. So we want to add a description, okay? And all we're going to do is we're going to right click and we're going to paste in the title and the hashtags from all previous videos. But in addition to that, what we want to be doing, okay, is just adding, okay, so we can use our keyboard. Okay, we want to add something, we want to add a call to action in there. Okay, so remember it's domain number 3. Okay, so so you can put here's my number 1 do that. And then we can go https domain3.com. Okay, so put whatever you want. If you know, again, make it congruent with your brand. If you talk about side hustles, here's my #1 side hustle. Here's what I do as a extra income. Whatever you say, but just again keep it congruent. I just like to say things like you know, affiliate marketing program. Here's my #1 affiliate marketing program, that sort of thing. So that's what we do. Okay, we're going to add the description. We're going to go back. The visibility, we're going to make that public. Okay. I go back to there and we're good to go. We're going to click on save. That's us done. Okay, so there is our video uploaded to YouTube Shorts. There we go, all done. Simple as that. Okay, with the domain 3 on there, and that's all we do. We repeat that 4 more times with all the 4 other videos that we're going to produce, and that is it. That's our daily method of operation. And you know, one thing I would say, as I've said in the previous videos, I would make this a bit longer, and also, like I said, sprinkle in different elements of different YouTube Shorts, so you're giving your audience kind of what they're looking for, and then use the stats in the back office of this. You can go to the analytics in the back office of YouTube, find out what people are resonating with, and do more of that. Okay, it's not just a case of blindly just, you know, shotgunning everything. Okay, test and measure everything along the way, and what you'll do, you'll build your brand, you'll build your audience, you'll build credibility, and of course you will make sales, and you'll make sales hand over fist, in addition to everything else that we're going to be doing. Okay, so in the next module, I'm going to be going through things in a bit more detail in relation to how to produce other videos, how to produce the other types of formats, and also how to produce things off your phone as well. So join me for that in the next module. We'll talk soon.